Warning, this video contains a lot of strong language from my mouth, so if I was your parents, I wouldn't let my kids watch this video. Viewer discretion is advised. Yeah! Hello everyone, I am Bubba Dump Funkin', and I'm here once again to review a powerful, delicious, Omega God fucking powerful dick powerful shit DVD! A very good gold DVD, and it's called BAM! Ric Flair! Nature Boy Ric Flair, motherfuckers! Oh, the Definite Collection, or Defiant, whatever the fuck you want to call it. I love this DVD. It's so fucking good. Whoa! I'm the Nature Boy! That just fucking knocked my head off. God damn, how many times this happened in every video? Or, not every video, but most videos. That keeps falling off. But I'm in a really good mood today. I'm in a really good mood. This DVD is 3 discs, motherfuckers. Not 1, not 2, but 3! You don't believe me? Here, open this motherfucker up. Here. See? 3 discs. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Buckle my shoe. No, I don't go that way. Anyway, this DVD has a lot of Ric Flair's greatest matches from the 80s, 70s, whatever, all the way up till he retired. And they're all good. Well, most of them anyway. He's went up against Harley Race, Rowdy Popper, Triple H, Shawn Michaels, and yeah, Shawn Michaels is the one that retired him. Yep. That's why he don't wrestle anymore. Well, he did kind of quit the WWE and went to TNA, but ever since Ric Flair came back, TNA was never mentioned, so according to them, it didn't count. Even though Ric Flair had a bunch of matches at TNA with Hulk Hogan. I'm not going to go into that. WWE is just fucking retarded sometime. Yeah, it's a good DVD. I know. I really don't know what to say. It's just... It's worth getting, everyone, and I've had this DVD for a long time, so yeah. Yeah, look at it. You can see Ric Flair on there for his final match at WrestleMania. Hey, look at that cool robe he's wearing. Woo! Woo! I am styling, profiling, I get on the pussy, I'm Ric Flair! That's the old one, though. Here's the young one. Woo! God damn! Yep, it's worth getting. But motherfuckers, it'll make you feel good. You'll grow some fucking hair on your chest. Yeah! I love wrestling. Well, I hate today's wrestling because it fucking sucks, but I love the past of wrestling. Because if it wasn't for the past, these fucking PG pussies wouldn't have the gay show they have today. Fuck you motherfuckers. PG fucking sucks. Anyway, this isn't about a PG rant, this is about Ric Flair, a Hall of Famer. Respect this man. He paved the way for a lot of those young fucking PG dick-sucking bitches. Yeah. I'm in a good mood today. Anyway, I'll give this DVD, a 10 out of 10. Yeah, it's a good documentary and it has a shitload of matches, so yeah, it's definitely worth getting. So there you have it. Nature Boy, Ric Flair, the Defiant Collection, or the Definite Collection. I can't fucking say that word. Anyway, yeah. Now then, give this video a thumbs up, leave your feedback, don't forget to follow me on Wrestling News Talk on Facebook, and fucking subscribe! I And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye, bitches. Whoa! 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 Yeah!